This is Nadeem Kassam here from Connect the Doc, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create custom attributes so that you can add this information to your emails that you're sending out through Connect the Doc. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the Referral Manager, and in the Referral Manager on the left hand tab you're going to see an area where it says Manage Custom Attributes. So our system automatically is going to ask you for the first name, last name, address, and email of every patient that comes in. You pretty much just have to add the first name, the last name, and the email. Now, anytime you want to pull in additional information, you're going to be able to create what's called a custom attribute. And you'll see here that I've got a list of different types of attributes that we have. So we have doc name, emergency contact, last visit, new field, note 1. So you can add any type of information here. Now, I've got an Excel sheet that we're going to show you in a separate video on how to import a client list. But in this note area, in our Excel sheet, we've got our last visit, we've got our note, and we've got our treatment area. So you'll notice here that we have treatment area, note, and last visit. Those are all options. Now, if you wanted to create a new custom attribute, and this is any type of information that you would want to pull into an email, you can just click Add New, and you can name this. So you might want to say location of review. So let's say your patient has written you a nice review on Google, and you want to thank them for writing you a nice review on Google. What you can do is you can just have location of review, and then you can add that to an email. So you're just going to click OK, and you're going to notice that that information gets added here. Now, when it comes to the actual templates of your emails, when you go to Account Settings, when you go to Referral Manager, Build Referral Automation Emails and Campaigns, we're going to go to Manage Email Sequence and Templates, and we're going to just pick an email template that we've already created. Let's actually create a new one, and we're going to call it, let's say, thank you for writing us a review on Google. So if we go to Create New Email Template, you're going to notice that there's a lot of different areas here where you can add all those custom fields. So template name might be thanks for great review, email thanks for the great feedback, and then you'd say something like hi, first name, we appreciate you giving us and we can do like equals review space rating. You see that here? We've got that custom tag here, review rating. Thanks for giving us a 5-star review on, and then we're going to say the source, which was location of reviews, equals location of review. And then you might want to have something else, you know, like it was great seeing you last week. Hope your equals treatment area is recovering quickly. So as you'll notice here, we're just creating different templates, we're pulling in different custom attributes, and we're making it as easy as possible to create these custom emails that get sent off to the patients. Now, just a refresher, so that's pretty easy on how that works. A couple things you have to know is that it's very sensitive. So for example here, you'll notice that we have location of review with a capital L, because there's a capital L here and a capital R, whereas the treatment area has lowercase. So you have to make sure that the cases are the same, that there's no spaces, and it's pretty much identical to what you're seeing here. Now, to trigger off these emails, just a quick reminder, so we've created that template. All you're going to do is you're going to go to My Patients, and you're going to, we'll let it load here, you're going to go to the patient that you want to trigger off an email to. You're going to send email or sequence. For that one, we're going to create the template, right? Thanks for a great review, and it's automatically going to pull in those little bits. Now, the one thing you got to make sure is that when you do have this information, you want to make sure that this patient actually has those pieces of information. So when you click on the preview, we haven't updated anything properly, so you'll notice that you know, the review rating isn't showing up and the location of the review isn't showing up, but it says your shoulder because we've got that information in the notes. So we always just want to make sure that when we do have these types of fields in here, that the fields are populated within the data. So you can always just go into edit patient info and you can add these types of things, right? Maybe the review rating is 5, the location of the review is Yelp, right? So let's click update, and that's now been updated. We go back to my patients and we go to Michael Bluth. We send an email or a sequence. We select the template. Thanks for the great feedback. And you'll notice here the 5-star review on Yelp. Great. So I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. It's Nadim from Connect the Doc, and my phone number is 415-287-4999. Thanks for watching.